This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's wall diagonal corner cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. Start with the door face down on your workstation, the side with the pre-drilled hinge holes closest to you. Align the hinges with the holes and then fix with a drill and prepackaged screws. Next, take one of the side panels and place it behind the door, positioned closest to you on your workstation. Keep the side and the door approximately a credit card's thickness apart. Set the free end of the hinges flush with the side, then secure with the drill and prepackaged screws. Test that the door and side are properly aligned, then set aside. Place one of the sides with the slot on your workstation, the slotted end closest to you, then attach the top using the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Ensure that the slots on both the top and the side align. Stand the combined pieces on end horizontally, then secure where the two pieces meet, first with a nail gun, then again with a drill and drywall screws. Attach the bottom to the side's other end, again ensure the slots align, then secure where these pieces meet as just performed. Now turn the pieces so the slotted side lies flat on your workstation with the slot closest to you. Slide the backing into place using the slots on the top, bottom, and side, then tap with a rubber mallet to ensure alignment. Next, take the other slotted side panel and, with the slot positioned on the bottom, place it against the top, bottom, and backing with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Use a nail gun to place a single nail on each side for a temporary hold, then ensure it is aligned with the rest of the constructed unit by gently tapping the ends with the rubber mallet. Once in place, secure the rest of this side with a nail gun, then with a drill and drywall screws. Place the shelf pegs into the pre-drilled holes on the cabinet sides and backing, and tap into place with a hammer. Use a rubber mallet to tap the final side into place on the unit, secure with a nail gun, then place the last set of shelf pegs into the available holes. Retrieve the side and door combination constructed earlier. Place onto the assembled unit via the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes, then tap flush with a rubber mallet. Secure all ends where the final side panel meets the rest of the unit with a nail gun. Finally, stand the assembled unit on end and angle the internal shelves into the cabinet to rest on the shelf pegs. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry wall diagonal corner cabinet is ready to install.